All right, market is about to open in 2 minutes. Let's get into it. So what I'm sort of thinking is, um, so based off my daily bias and what London session did, London session opened up. We filled this 4 hour gap and we reversed off that. So basically, we manipulated up and then reversed. So I'm thinking that maybe we can open up and look to target these lows. We made equal lows right here on ES, but we took it out on NQ. So we are forming. We have a 5 minute bullish SMT. We're forming an hourly bullish SMT right now. So what I'm thinking is we're either gonna open up and ES is gonna come grab these lows and then reverse, because these are the only lows that we have when it comes to drawing liquidity. Past these lows, there's really nothing. So what I'm kind of thinking is definitely bullish, but I could see a trade to where I look to target these lows, but we'll just have to see. And I might take longs, like even without taking out these lows, because we are forming this bullish SMT. So if we can continue this uptrend that we're in, because on ES we're in an uptrend, in Q's an uptrend. So I'm just kind of looking for a continuation to continue higher. But let's see. Market did just open. What I'm sort of thinking is that I think that market might open up and come down and take out these lows. Or we might just be like straight up bullish the entire time. But yeah, if market does come down and take out these lows, I'm like definitely like I'm only probably taking longs, because there's really no draws on the downside to look to target to taking shorts. So it'd be like kind of just taking a short for no reason. But it looks like ES is coming down, NQ is coming down. So yeah, I would want to see us take out both these lows. It doesn't even have to be both of them, just one of these lows. I mean, realistically, I'd want both of them to be taken out, and then we can look for reversals off of this. We can look to target Leaden high, 30-minute high, and then we also have all of these stacked up 1 hour highs. Oh yeah. That we can look to target. But I am thinking this will be bullish. Alright, ES is dumping to these lows right now, as I thought it might do. So once we take out these lows, I'm kind of just gonna be looking for reversals off this point. And looking to target London high, this 30-minute high, and maybe even potentially these highs. But if you guys did watch yesterday's trade recap, we did take an L, so the risk we have, we can only risk 180 on this account. So when we do take a trade, if we do today, it's going to have to be a very tight stop loss. So I'll probably have to put my stop loss at a place that I probably don't even want to, because it's either that or I just have an unreasonable target. So we'll have to see. So we just took out this hourly low on ES. So now we have no more SMT, which is good, which is fine. So I do kind of want to see us take out this low, this hourly low, or 4 hour low, but on at least one of the indexes. I would want to see one of the indexes take it out. So then maybe we could also form a SMT off of it, but I'm not leaning on that. But we'll just have to see what happens. Honestly, so right now we we just got an equilibrium retrace on both the indexes. So honestly, with how much I'm able to risk, if we inverse this 1 minute gap here, I'm honestly gonna take shorts because well, it's a good setup, but also I can't really risk much, and this would be a good trade to have practically no risk on it. So all right, we're taking shorts. I need low. Okay, okay, that's not good. We're literally about to get stopped out because we have like such low risk. Yeah, we stopped out. Oh gosh, that was not good. Well, that kind of sucks. I was hoping that would be a trade that would just like dump straight to it because I couldn't risk much. But I guarantee we're gonna come down and take out that low too. I just couldn't risk anything on it. Buzza. Alright, so that funded is gone. Alright, I'm back. So I did just hook up the funded account that I passed. I'm probably not gonna take a trade just because market's like horrible right now. We've only done barcode price action, but I'm gonna stay on and wait and see um if we come down and take out this low or not. But right now it's looking horrible. Alright, y'all. So it seems we're not gonna come down and take out this low, which is kind of unfortunate. In my eyes, this was not a bad trade. You can see like I said before, um, I thought that market was gonna be bullish today, which we were. But before I said that, I thought that we're gonna come down and take out both of these lows, if not at least one. We did take out one, but then we got an equilibrium retrace, and then we broke back down on the 1 minute here. We inversed this for value gaps, and I took shorts. So it really wasn't a bad trade. Kind of just sucks because right when we took it, we got stuck in this barcode price action. Um, but yeah. Also, the only reason I even took this trade is because my risk reward was like, well, I could only risk like 180 because like usually I risk like 400, 500, 300. As you guys like, if you guys watch the past trade recaps, that's how much I'm risking. So typically my stop loss would be like here or something like that. And if you look at the risk reward on that, that would be horrible. So I wouldn't even taken that if I had more equity available to me on that eval, but I didn't. So in my eyes, this was a good trade, decent trade. Kind of just sucks because got stuck in choppy price action. But I was overall right about the daily bias. As I said, I thought we were gonna be bullish. I've been right about like every daily bias in all these trade recaps. I just haven't been like on these daily biases. I haven't been able to catch trades for them. But this wasn't a bad trade. Kind of just sucks. We were in choppy price action. So this week we went 0 for 2. I'm only traded Thursday and Friday because Monday was choppy as heck. Tuesday, Wednesday, I just didn't trade. And Thursday and Friday, um, obviously just took L's, which kind of sucks. But we're chill. Now, also, all these losses to you guys, it probably seems like I'm a horrible trader. But from my perspective, before I was uploading these on YouTube, um, I was on like a not a 3 day, a 4 or 5 day winning. Like I was winning, like I won like 4 or 5 trades in a row, and that's when I passed that eval like 2 3 weeks ago.